What's the closest you've come to moving back home?
Probably just very early on. There are parts of New York I certainly miss. I still have some family there, and I love seasons. But I really haven't looked back since things started to, go my way.
I have a quote here. Always have to have one quote in every interview.
Yeah.
So. Always ask yourself, is this going to help me get to my goal or not? And I believe that's from Bob Proctor. Mm-hmm. Do you have a certain set of guidelines you work from? Like, is there a quote? Is there a mantra? Is there something that guides you? Do you subscribe to this? Do you look at something and say, am I doing this for the right reasons? Am I doing this for fun? Is this going to help me get to my goal?
I think earlier on, I was much quicker to just take whatever came along or to work for exposure, work on spec, and because I needed to, build up a reputation of some kind. As far as a mantra, though, I don't know. I mean, I know that I can listen to the pitch of an idea, that if someone is looking to hire me, right, I can hear what their basic idea is, and I will know almost immediately if I'm the right person for that job. I can. Sometimes I've broken my own rules, but everybody breaks their own rules every once in a while. But usually, because what will usually happen is that my agent would send me in. I'd sit down with the producer or the director, and they might already have a script. They might not. They might just have an idea, but I can usually tell very quickly if I'm going to be able to bring anything to this project, if I'm going to be able to make it what it is they want it to be. And usually, what's very funny is usually if I don't say it right away, right? I don't tell them that whether or not I think I'm the right person, not right away. But most of the time, if I don't think I'm the right person, I don't get the gig anyway. So I don't know if I have like any kind of quote or something that sticks with me, aside from William Asher saying, "Don't give up."
And you can still see his face?
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Wow, that's a really, really interesting story, just the whole chain and his son, and that's really fascinating.
Yeah, and then what was funny also about that is that our first meeting, when I first met his son John, and the producers of I Hate Kids around the table, and they're all talking and everything like that, and somebody mentions John Landis, and I admit I knew John because he was in the first documentary on it, and I'm like, why? What about John Landis? And they go, oh, he's the executive producer of this movie.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God. Okay, this movie is definitely getting made.
Sure, sure. And that was your King Kong documentary, or?
No, John was in Beast Wishes, the first one,
okay.
about Bob and Kathy Burns. Yeah.